Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Infiniti G37 sedan. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 124,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.